Hello boys, hello girls, this is Mr. Lucero and we're going to start working once again with our book Insta English level number 3 and this is unit number 4 and this is page 64 and 65. Okay, so here we're going to start our activity with vocabulary number 2, verbs and noun collocations. Now let's see. We're going to start with 5 pictures, I'm sorry. And this is my question. What can you see on picture number 1? A boy, a girl, a man or a woman, a present. Perfect. What about number 2? 2 girls. Okay, are they happy? Are they laughing? No. Are they like crazy? Like arguing? It's a possibility. Number 3. Teacher, I can only see hands. Okay, hands. What else? Money. So they're buying. Okay, it's a possibility. Next. Teacher, that is difficult. Okay, 2 girls and 1 boy at the back. Okay, 2 girls and 1 boy. Where are they? I don't know. Okay, no problem. Number 5, what can you see? 2 girls. Where? In the park? It's a possibility. Okay, now let's continue. Match the verbs in the box with the pictures. Now let's see. First, let's practice. Okay, so listen and repeat. With your microphones off.
Unit 4, Track 39, Activity 2.
Give advice. Give presents. Have an argument. Have fun. Receive advice. Receive presents. Spend money. Spend time. Tell lies. Tell the truth.
Okay, class, this is our vocabulary, but before matching the word with the picture, let's see. What's the meaning of give advice? Give presents. Have an argument. Have fun. Receive advice. Receive present. Spend money. Spend time. Tell lies. And tell the truth. Okay, when I say give advice means consejo. So you give an advice to other person. Dar consejo, that's good. Give presents. Regalos, dar regalos, perfect, that's good. Have an argument. Okay, be careful because this is not argumento. Okay, have an argument is like when you don't have other people or person ideas, so you're against saying no, it's impossible, it's my point of view, blah blah blah. No, an argument. Es like como you say in Spanish, discutir. Have fun, divertirse. Receive an advice, so you give an advice and the other people receive the advice. You give the present and the other people receive the present. Spend money. Spend money is like when you have money and you buy everything maybe you like or don't like. Spend time. Pasar el tiempo. Gastar dinero, pasar el tiempo. Tell lies is like, for example, when your father said, do you have homework? No, I did my homework. That's a liar telling lies. And tell the truth. No, it's for example when you want to talk to someone and tell that person the truth. No, la verdad. Now, this is your activity to match the pictures with the vocabulary. For example, what is number one? Teacher, there is a present. Present. So could be give a present or receive a present. Dar o recibir. Give a present. Okay. Number two. What is number two? Opinions for number two. Could be give an advice. Could be give presents. Could be have an argument. I don't know. It depends on you. Could be receive an advice or spend time. What's your idea? Have an argument. Of course. So they are like, no, but this is like this. No, but it's like that. No. Have an argument. Number three, about money. Spend money. Gastar. Okay, spend money. Number four. In your opinion, what is number four? Excellent. Have fun. And they are on the roller coaster. In Spanish, you say montaña rusa. And number five. What is number five? Is that, for example, you need help and your teacher give advice. No, give advice. Teacher, student. Perfect. Now let's continue. Choose the correct words. We're in number three. So you have sentences and you have here the vocabulary, no? And you have two words. Could be money or time with friends. I love spending money on or time with friends, time with my neighbors. Opinions. Yeah, I love spending time with my neighbor. We always have an argument or have fun. Of course, have fun. Letter B. I've tried to give my sister present or I've tried to give my sister advice, but she never listened to me. Advice. My cousin always tells me the truth or tells me lies. She's extremely honest. Honest with lies or honest with truth? Excellent. My cousin always tells me the truth. She's extremely honest. D. Don't spend a lot of money or don't spend a lot of time on my birthday present. He's very generous. Money. Excellent. My brother told me a lie or my brother told me the truth last night and we had a terrible fun or a terrible argument. A lie, an argument, no? It's like a discussion. He forgot a great advice. Sorry, he got a great advice or he got a great present from his uncle. A leather jacket. Una casaca de cuero. Present. Excellent. The idea is that you can write the answers on your book or your Google Doc so that you can get ready for the class. I haven't written anything, so you can listen once again the video and you can get the answers. Complete the sentences with the verb from the activity number one. Activity number one here. Okay, let's see. The verb. So here are two parts. The verb and the second part is the noun. The verb, no, and the second part. For example, Do you ever give advice to your friends? What about? So advice, give advice. Okay, or could be receive advice. But look, advice to your friends. Give advice. When did you last an argument with a friend? Have an argument. Have. Is it ever okay? Sorry, is it ever okay to a lie? To tell a lie. How much time do you? How much time do you with your parents on the weekends? How much time do you spend? Okay, spend. Let's continue. What present? What presents did you for your last birthday? Give? No. Receive. Okay, receive for your last birthday. What are you going to do to fun this weekend? To have fun. Okay, to have fun. Interface. Working small groups, ask and answer the questions. Activity number 4. So you are going to answer those questions in class. Reading number 2. Read and listen to the questionnaire. Choose the best title. Okay, here we're going to make a reading activity, and that reading activity is here questionnaire. Okay, questionnaire. So it says, choose the best title. Friends or family? What's more important? You must not you must not tell lies. Or friends? What would you do? So look at this reading. So what could be the correct title for this activity? Questionnaire. If you want to make friends with a new student in class, would you? If it were your best friend's birthday, would you? If you didn't like your friends or brother, sister, would you? If your friend told you a lie, would you? If you had an argument with your best friend, would you? It's about friends, no? Did you see? Okay, friends, family. What's more important? You must tell. You must not tell lies. Or friends, what would you do? Excellent. This is the answer. Letter C. Friends, what would you do? Is the correct one. Read the question again and choose the best answer for you. Now let's see. We're going to try to listen or to read this activity. Where is that? Here. Get ready. 1, 2,
Unit
3.
4, Track 40, Activity 1.
Questionnaire.
A.
If you wanted to make friends with a new student in class, would you? 1. Give him, her a present. 2. Ask him, her to join in your study group. 3. Ask a friend to talk to him, her.
B.
If it were your best friend's birthday, would you? 1. Do nothing. 2. Give her, him a present. 3. Make her, him a cake.
C.
If you didn't like your friend's brother or sister, would you? 1. Do nothing because they're family. 2. Tell your friend the truth. 3. Ask your friend to stop spending time with his, her, brother or sister.
D.
If your friend told you a lie, would you? 1. Do nothing because it's not important. 2. Ask him, her to tell you the truth. 3. Wait for him, her to apologize?
E.
If you had an argument with your best friend, would you 1. Apologize immediately? 2. Start spending time with your other friends instead? 3. Give him, her a present?
Okay, class. So this has been our reading activity. Okay, we start on page 64 and now we're going to continue on page 65. But we're going to see it in a different video. Thank you so much.